Hello Jayashree,
Hello sir.
how are you doing?
I am fine and what about you?
I'm doing great. So okay, tell me about yourself.
Myself Jeshri Rai from class 7 in Sri Lankan School. I have joined Visual Educational Academy to improving my communication skills.
Okay, so are you enjoying this class?
Yes sir.
Okay, so it's a good decision.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
think that? Okay, which school do you study in?
In Sri Lankan.
Okay, can you tell me something more about your school?
In my school there are two grounds, one grass ground and one playground.
Okay, where is your school located?
My school located in Chhattar Road.
Okay, on Chhattar Road. Okay, do you like your school?
Yes.
Okay, how many classrooms are there in your school? 50 to 60. Yeah, well, and how many students are there in your class? 40, 50, how many students?
In my class.
Yeah, in your class.
In my class there are 38
38 students. So, and who are more, boys or girls?
sir boys.
Boys are more.
Yes.
Alright, okay. And who are better in study, boys or girls?
Sir girls.
Girls are better in study. And who is the topper of your class?
Sir one.
Okay, alright. Okay, so let me know what you want to become.
I have to become a police officer.
Police officer. Why? But why do you want to become a police officer?
It is my dream and I like to catch the thieves.
If you like to catch the thief. Okay, if you become a police officer and there will not be thieves, so then what will you do?
Then I will, there were many
Crime, other crime.
other kinds
So
of.
you will control the crime.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think that should we kill the criminals or we should give them chance to change themselves?
Sir, we give to chance.
We should give them chance to change themselves. All right, good decision. Okay, good thought. It's a humanity.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So tell me about your family.
In my family there are 4 members, my father, my mother, my brother and me. My father name is Vishwada Sandari. He is a farmer. My mother name is Kanina Gandare. She is a housewife. My brother name is Pranil Gandare. We study in class 11.
Okay. So your family is nuclear family.
Yes.
What's your father?
My father is a farmer.
Farmer. Okay. So do you have respect for farmers?
Yes, sir.
All right. And your mother is housewife.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you help your mother in kitchen work or in household work?
Yes, sir.
Really, you help. What kind of work you like to do at home?
Many types of.
But what are your interesting works? Means sweeping,
Sweeping and making the food.
making food also. Can you make vegetable also?
Yes.
Really? Wow, that's great. Okay, so you want to become a police officer. Suppose that if you become an IS officer, what will you do?
When I will become an IS officer, so I will help to poor people and clean the district.
Clean the district.
Yes.
Okay, so you will run the cleaning drive. All right. And suppose that if you become a prime minister, then what will you do?
When I will become a prime minister, so I will help to poor people and give their foods and clean the India.
India. Okay, if you become IS officer, you clean district. If you become prime minister, you will clean India. Oh, all right. So you don't like dirtiness, understand? Dirtiness and garbage. You want to clean everything. All right. Okay. Suppose that my question is that if you are walking on the road and you find injured puppy, so what will you do?
When I will find a injured puppy, so I will catch that thing and go to Advanced Hospital and in the house he was starting to walk.
Okay, he will be good.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so tell me, so nowadays rainy season is going on.
Yes, sir.
So do you like this season?
No, sir.
You don't like rainy season, but this is very important season for farmers because if there is no rain on the earth, so what would happen? All right. Okay. So, but for what reasons you don't like this season?
Sir, in rainy season, the insect and snakes are coming.
Oh, you don't like insects.
Yes.
So for insects, you don't like the season. Okay. But what's your favorite season? Okay, for what reason you like summer?
In summer season, we get summer vacation from school and we will eat ice cream and drink cold drink. That's why.
That's great. Okay, Jayashree, now let me know that. So, what are your hobbies? What do you do in your free time? How do you entertain yourself?
In my free time, I watch mobile and my hobbies are to play volleyball and
So, your parents allow you phone?
yes,
So, how much time do you use phone?
10 or 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. So, what do you do in 10 to 15 minutes?
I will watch school's homework and see the quiz.
Okay, what's your favorite phone?
My favorite phone is iPhone.
iPhone. Okay, so suppose that if you have more money, suppose that if you win the lottery, so will you purchase iPhone?
No, sir.
No. So what will you do with that lottery? Suppose that if you win the lottery of 2 or 3 crore, then what will you do?
So firstly, I will buy a car and secondly,
Which car will you buy?
anyone,
Any
any car.
luxurious family car. Okay, and
And then after that money was left, so I will have to put it.
you want to have the Korean? Okay, okay, I am also purchase that. All right, and you know that. So suppose that. So do you think that the doctors play very important role in our life?
Yes, sir.
And if you become a doctor, what kind of doctor will you be, and what will you do?
When I will become a doctor, so I will help to poor people in 100 rupees and
You will take only 100 rupees fee.
yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
And poor people and any people are very happy.
They will be happy. So you make them happy.
Yes.
Do you think that people should be happy by our behavior? Okay, Jesse, it was nice talking to you.
Nice